is of course dedicated to those interested in steam ploughing engines. And they are trying to raise money, obviously, to keep the job going. And they have, in the engine paddock near where the Clayton traction engine is, you'll see the steam plough club table, and they are having a guess the weight of the ploughing engine. Now the engine is this particular one here, owned by Mick Hammond. So if you think you know the weight of this ploughing engine, it's a pound a go to guess the weight of this particular ploughing engine. You can't say it's bloody heavy, you know, you've got to give them a weight. Anyway, it's a pound a ticket and there is a prize of £50. So guess the weight of this particular ploughing engine. I wonder where you've gone, Brian. Ice cream, where's mine then?